Alright, be fierce.
Fierce. Fierce.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Boy, Jack. That was actually, oh, thanks, bro.
So photogenic.
Damn, that was so cute. That was actually so cute.
It was really cute.
Harry, did you put your name in the goblet of fire?
No, sir. I put your name in.
Damn right. Trump 2024. We will take back this nation from Sleepy Joe. Grandpa Joe doesn't get the golden ticket for Chocolate Factory here.
The rain door as well. This is going down anyway.
No,
Hey.
yeah, I'm just kidding.
How do you get dogs to stop biting your hands?
What?
Say no.
Oh, okay.
Is your dog biting your hand?
Yeah, he's just gotten real like he doesn't like bite like well actually he kind of like bruised my hand up a little bit,
Oh my god.
my arm.
Teething.
Yeah, but I keep putting other things in his mouth like balls or I didn't mean that. I didn't mean like that.
How to troll for Sen. Step 1. Find a short video with an abrupt ending. Make a new playlist. Name it Liked Videos. And add the video to it. Add Sen's liked videos to the playlist. Step 2. Upload your favorite horsecock video to YouTube. Make the thumbnail and title the second video in the playlist, and add the video to it. And donate it to Sen.
So what is this other video?
Who is that?
Hi, darling. Hello.
Hi.
I'm Edna, by the way, your neighbor.
Okay. What are you doing here?
You'll have to forgive me. I was busy with my cat's sweater yesterday, but this is for you.
Okay.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Let's see the house.
Oh
my.
The sexy maid service. Okay, you can.
You have a big mess to clean, don't you?
Stop doing the laugh track. I don't want that. Yes, there's a mess in here. It's very messy.
Well,
Come on.
trust me, I can take care of your big mess.
Okay, come on in.
Show me where it is.
So pretty much what I want you to do. Come on in, watch the door behind you. I don't want to get hit by that. Yeah, be careful.
Such a gentleman.
Yeah, I just don't want to.
Wow, what a unique arrangement.
Yeah, so there's this trash. Well, if you could, honestly, I think you look great. I do. I think you're probably the best looking service maid I've ever seen in my life.
Do you mean that?
Yes, of
Go
course.
on.
I think you're the most attractive, sexiest maid ever. I do. I really do.
Please keep going.
You're so wonderful. You're so Let me show you the bathroom.
Okay.
Come on into the bathroom.
Popular Twitch streamer XQ Cow announced the revival of his Overwatch career under a new organization. That organization, the Taliban, dead. The news did not reach everyone in a positive way. Many of his peers voiced both supporting
And that's not because I'm like good friends with fucking XQC, but literally because it's my fucking point of view, okay? And I still will. If people are inappropriately fucking targeting him or some shit, I will defend him.
The juice is loose, go get it, despite the incredible support from his peers. He received fair share of criticism. Popular Norwegian streamer Sebastian Forsum voiced his criticism by saying B.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar.
Photograph obtained by Bloomberg. The French Canadian can be seen enjoying the desert sun with his esports teammate.
Clint, how to become a big streamer? Family, religion, friends. These are the 3 things you must slay to become a big streamer. Just completely ignore them. Just remove them from your life.
Lots of boobos from hot ladies.
Yeah. You know, honestly, pretty accurate. I'll take it.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Big Coomer 1, 2, 3.
Who's
that?
Michael.
Titty.
Of course.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Singular.
Oh, good.
Toast! You don't want to draw this. Less than.
That could really.
I'm in game, man. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was this?
Oh shit.
You should play more Mario Kart 2. Mario Kart's sick.
Yeah,
Plus, you were doing pretty well towards the end there.
You always know how to suck me back in.
I do.
Wait, do you want some of my merch?
No, I don't. I heard it like disintegrates.
Alright, chat, that's the end of the stream. Thank you guys for coming out. I really do appreciate it. Hope you boys have fun. What the fuck was that? Disintegrates, hello?